So today we'll be learning how to make a paper snail. Now let's talk about the materials needed. Colored paper or sugar paper. Gum. Scissors and pencil. These are the materials needed. Now you're going to use something that works out for you to cut out these different circle shapes. You find out things that work out for you, anything that could give you this shape, you cut them out. And after you're done, we start. The first thing is to fold the pink one into two, but please get a shape that is very big, a big shape, so that when you fold it, you will still have a nice shape. And then we start by making the snail shell. This is how to make the snail shell. And there you go. The next thing is to fix the antennas, the eye, and the pupil. And we have a snail. We are almost there, and there you go. There you have a beautiful snail. And that is the second one. Kindly use the link to check how we made the second snail, and you could try it out on Ness-Ana TV. Good job. There you go. And these are the paper bead that we made. Still find out how we did that on Ness-Ana TV YouTube.